Hello folks, this is Jesse Brissett, sales manager here at Hemlock Hill RV. I am with Jason Strachel. He is my senior product specialist, and we wanted to take a couple minutes today and give you a little bit of a sneak peek on top of what we've done already with some of these Cougars that we're bringing. We got one over here. These guys are working on this one down here. We got this 29 BH sitting right over here next to the forklift. That's going. It's going to be an exciting time up in Boston. So, hey Jay, what do we have here? It's a 2018 half-ton 32 BHS, right?
Yep, fifth wheel Cougar with that brand new beautiful front cap they just put on these things. And we're excited for this in Boston. We think it's going to be a big hit.
Nice.
So,
you want to show me around?
Yeah, I'll show you through it, show you a couple cool things, and then the rest you'll have to come see in Boston.
All right,
on the lot.
Cool.
But let's start with this front cap here. Like I said, completely redesigned in the Cougars and the Cougar half-tons. It's sharp, it's nice looking, still got that automotive style painted front cap. And you know what they did this year is, you see these amber running lights here? Well, these are actually DOT approved. So unlike the other brands that are putting blue ones or purple ones or pink ones or whatever, you can actually turn these on and go down the road. DOT approved, so they're actually not only a safety feature, but they look pretty cool too.
That's gonna look pretty cool coming down the road.
Yep.
Or pulling in the campsite and everyone's looking at you like, what is that?
This is gonna be a pretty popular unit. So now we have the hitch vision as always on the front of the Cougars. They've been doing this for a long time. They patented it, so everybody else that's using it has to pay the fees to use it too. And this just helps you back up a little bit easier, helps you get in line with your pin box and your fifth wheel hitch. And you don't need 3 or 4 guys trying to direct you where to go.
Nice.
Other than that, we got the dock lights right here. We have this compartment here, which I'll show you around the side. You got your front landing controls here, so you got your retract and your extend, and you got another little light here, just because you know you can't have too many lights. So let's pop over to the side here. You got your battery box here. And both your propane's on the other side, so there's no more propane here and propane on the other side. Everything's nice and together. And then here's your baggage door, your magnetic holdback.
And that light just went on when you opened it, huh?
Yep, that's a motion sensing light, so you don't have to have it on when you're not using it. And then when you go to slide in here, you'll have all the light you need.
Nice. I like the way they got that pipe out of the way.
Yep. Less, a little bit more room right here for tables and the bigger stuff that you're gonna bring. And then that hooks right into the front of that storage as well.
Very nice.
So check that out. There is an LED lighting strip underneath here, but we'll pop that on when I get in. Why don't you come with me? We'll check out some interior features.
Yeah, guys, you can still see there's snow on the top. I mean, we're hustling. We're getting these things put together for Boston. There's still the cleaning rag in here, man. They're really doing it.
We're cleaning up. So in here, Jess, we got the new design. All right, guys, we're inside this Cougar 32 BHS now. I just want to point out a couple of cool things that Cougar's doing now that maybe sets them apart from the competition. One is this countertop. In the half-tons now, they do have the full solid surface countertop. It's a nice countertop, it's food safe, and it looks pretty good too. It matches a little bit with the countertop, or with the floors, and with the cabinetry a little bit.
So it's all one piece.
It's all one piece cabinetry. No more T-molding or anything like that. You know, everybody knows that as soon as you buy that stuff just kind of slides here and slides there. Now you have your 50-50 stainless steel sink, kind of farmhouse style with the split in the middle.
Nice.
For, washing on this side, drying on this side, or whatever you need to do. This is the new high-rise pull-out faucet here. It's nice and easy. You get bigger pans or something. You want something like this that you can go.
That's great for a lobster bake, or you got that big old pan that you got to get going. You can get it under there. Yeah.
Yep.
Awesome.
And this Cougar, they've had these brand new fireplaces here, the half-ton. That is actually a heat pump as well. So on a cool day like today, you can have your furnace running, you can have this running, or you can just have this. It does put out about 5,100 BTUs. Okay. So that'll keep this area nice and toasty, even if you don't have your furnace on. You got your nice big flat screen TV here, nice countertops. Look at these handles. Big handles, nice solid construction, full wood door, cabinet doors here, and just the stuff that you've come to know about Cougar as far as fit and finish wise.
That's a residential style handle. That's as nice as I've seen in houses.
Yep. You got your tri-fold sofa here, so this is going to fold out 3 times, all the way out to about here, and no more air mattresses or anything. It's nice and comfortable. You don't have to worry about the air mattress popping or anything. And then when you're done, you just fold it away and you have your sofa right there.
Wow.
In addition to the bunkhouse, this also has your fold-down dinette. This actually sleeps another, 1 or 2 kids if you want to get creative. But yeah, they figure they go for that, as well as your storage under here to give you a little
Oh
more.
wow, let me see that.
A little more storage.
Oh,
In
nice.
your camper, everybody needs storage, you know?
I wouldn't have known that's there.
Yeah. So,
That's why I have a product specialist showing, not me, guys.
moving on, we got the bathroom here. This is one of 2 bathrooms, actually. This is a bath and a half.
No one.
Yeah, so that's actually what I think is going to be a big hit this Boston show is
Yeah.
bath and a half. The adults have one up there, and then you have your main bathroom down here, your toilet. Nice, big, framed in little medicine cabinet here.
That's
nice,
solid.
heavy duty. Big sink. Everybody know you don't want to spit into a little cup when you're brushing your teeth. Nice big sink here. You could put all your stuff on the side here. You got a power outlet there if you need it, and then you have your shower and tub,
Actually, a tub.
as well as your exterior door entry too. So you don't have to walk through the whole coach to hit the bathroom.
That's one of my favorite things.
Come right in here, leave right outside. You want to spend as much time outside as possible.
Imagine how much walk-through traffic you get without that door.
Exactly. Now let's hit this bunkhouse here. We have the fold-up bunk on this slide, and then your jackknife sofa here.
Okay.
So a little bit more sleeping area there, as well as these 2 bunks on this side.
wow.
With, look at how many drawers here. Look at all this storage.
So you're talking 4 bunks,
You got 4 bunks, a ton of storage.
second entry door,
You got your TV that you can mount on the rear here. More storage
ton
here.
of cabinets. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, is this too much storage for you or what? Cabinets under this, all over the place.
Holy cow. And they're using the teddy bear mattresses. So guys, those are actually pretty comfortable. I'll tell you that from experience.
Yeah, you got to touch these, lay on these, and then you have your
Oh, they're not even
more storage here.
Pantry, closet, right there.
All over the place. All right, guys, come
Wow.
with me. One more quick stop up
Yeah,
here.
sneak peek. Don't show them too much, Jack.
All right, let me just hit on this, and then I'll let you do your thing.
So 2 steps in. Okay.
Main bedroom up here. You have your queen bed here. Wardrobe slide. So this whole area is
Oh wow.
your storage right there. A little hanging storage for pretty much all your clothes. And then we have your half bath.
I'm just getting a little panoramic
Oh, there you
view
go,
of
yep.
this, right?
Under there, you got the 2 USBs, and then you have
So you got
4.
cabinets underneath. You've got cabinets over. You've got spot for your charging ports and CPAP machine.
If that's not
oh my
enough, you got
gosh.
underbed storage here. Like I said, I don't think you can, load this thing up with all this storage.
I don't know if you met my wife, but
And then you have your half bath here, which is cool. You're not walking all the way to the other end of the coach in the middle of the night if you don't want to. And yeah, the adults deserve a little half bath
just a
themselves.
little half bath. So you
Yeah.
got your
Your full sink,
sink,
another,
standard toilet.
another full medicine cabinet behind.
Oh, you got the fan right there to get the smell out, which is
Yeah.
always good. Heat's coming right through. AC's coming right in.
Oh yeah,
Oh wow! So
you're all set.
you're all set. You're all set. So tell them where you can find it.
Well, we're in Southington, Connecticut, 2123 Meriden Waterbury Turnpike. We're on the phone at 860-621-8983. We're online at hemlockhillrv.com, and you'll find us in Boston this weekend. You'll find us in Hartford the weekend after. Our open house, as always, is right after the Hartford show, and then we'll be in Springfield in February, and then open house after that too. So we're gearing up. I know you can't quite camp nowadays in New England in the next couple months, but this is the best time to buy a camper, and hope to see you at the shows.
Well, Jay, thank you very much. In Boston, we are in booth 222, literally right down the main entry aisle. You can't miss us. You can't miss us, and we hope to see you there. Deals will be flying. I think we're gonna sell a lot of these, Jay.
I think so too.
All right. Hey, thanks for checking us out, and there'll be more to come. Hey, as we were walking out, there was one more thing. I know you probably turned the video off, but you gotta check this out, guys.
Little spoiler, little sneak peek. You have your outside kitchen. You got the sink here. You got your extra beverage fridge, your condiment fridge, and then this is real cool.
Show them that. Show them that.
Brand new Capital grill that you got in here. This is an actual grill. It's not a 2-burner range. This will fire up just like your grill at home. and it runs off propane in the front. This thing is awesome. It looks good. I think this is going to be a big hit.
All right. Once again, thanks for checking us out. Can't wait to see you.
Thanks, guys.